Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to select app skin on Kahoot. First thing you have to do is open up the app, launch the app and tap on your profile icon top left corner. Then you scroll all the way down till you see app skins, tap on it, and now you can choose the one you want. We have jungle, we have space, we have sunset, summer, we have pool. We also have hexagon. So once you finish using, tap on save. Now you must know this: you cannot use skins unless you're on a plan. So if you're using it for a month, you pay 27,000 for a month. You have the second plan, which is for 12 months, which is 172,000 for the year, and 14,333.33 naira per month. So you choose the plan you want and tap on continue. And then you add the payment method, debit or credit card, to complete the purchase. It's as simple as that. So if you are not on any of these two plan options, you cannot use this particular pool skin. Let's see if you can use any skin at all without payment. Let's try this. Yeah, you can't choose any skin at all without payment. So we have different payment plans here. We have the basic, which is what we're using right now. We have the Kahoot bronze. Then we have Kahoot silver. Then we have Kahoot gold. These are the plans. So if you're using the basic plan, which I'm using, you cannot use the skin option. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.